So good morning, everybody. And what a lovely start to a lovely day. You know why? Because it's a nice sunny day. So there's no more dullness around. Okay, so let our day be wonderful and let us, create a lot of positive vibrations today, which will spread all over, light up the world. So, what is the possibility of this new day? What can I add to my life today? Good questions to think about, isn't it? What am I going to create today, and what can I add to my life today, and what else is possible today, and how does it get better than this? Because it can only get better, right? Whatever be the situation in life, it can get only better than it is. And let's have all of life that comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. And what else is possible? Kunain Shahidi becoming a RJ on Dubai FM is possible. And what else is possible? That's a question I want to put into your head, Like today morning, let's actually think, when we get out of the survival mode, we get out of the survival mode, we get into the creation mode, then what else is possible in our life? Does the life have to be exactly the same it is? I can do the same work which I'm doing, that's fine, because I put in years and years of my life doing that work. But what else is possible? Even in the way that I'm doing things, what else is possible? So I've been married for 40 years, right? How can I make this richer and better and more exciting? What else is possible? Of course, some guys will say, I've been married for 40 years, so let me try another one. That also is possible, but that's up to you. So some people are really getting very happy. Wow, Malvai sir, these possibilities you're telling us early in the morning. But seriously, what else is possible? I mean, does it have to remain the same as it is? Right? There's nothing wrong with what it is, because I mean, it pays your for your food and shelter and everything, right? But what else is possible? And if we are upset about something, then again, what else is possible? Do we have to stay upset? If we are judging all the time, then what else is possible? Do we have to judge all the time? Is the world only right and wrong, good and bad? Is that all there is to it? So, Badra Sahab, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
So you want to start the sharing? Very good. Congratulations.
Thank you. Sharing experience of yesterday evening. We had yesterday I attended one seminar, not seminar, it's a discussion of a doctor, which is a doctor for the old people, geriatric doctor. He came there and he was suggesting how you can be young and so many things like that. And live example came, he brought his wife, is the age of his daughter, and she is a TV serial actor. So it became so surprising. We all are start laughing. As all are senior people, 60, 70, 80, like that. So all are became so happy to see this couple.
Yeah, everybody is thinking, what else is possible?
What else is possible?
Well, one of the reasons I think that people become old before their time is, they stop looking at possibilities and they stop creating life. And at some point, we all join the ranks of people who are waiting to die. Like there are people in companies who got 5 years for retirement and they'll say, I'm waiting to retire. So the quality of their work and the quality of their life is waiting to retire. So some people are like really waiting to retire from life. And some people already retired from life, So if you got into the rut and if you're just, in the survival mode, I mean, what's happening, guys? So what else is possible? And how was yesterday? now that you're back with us this morning. I'm so happy there are a lot of people who never come so early, and they've all come early, and congratulations. And we welcome your participation. You know, in the morning before you all joined, we were seriously saying that there are people who are coming here, they're not contributing at all. So we should charge money from them to participate. You know, either you participate, share and question, okay? Share your victories and share your defeats and ask questions, or we will be forced to charge you. You cannot just come here to watch a movie without buying a ticket. So ticket is participation, ticket is sharing, ticket is questioning. And if you cannot buy this ticket of sharing and questioning, then we will send you a bill. So the choice is yours. So good morning. And Bhadra Sahab, thank you very much for starting off this morning's conversation. And I'm going to keep saying this again and again to you. What else is possible? And how does it get better than this? And all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. So what are you going to create today? And while we are waiting for you to think, I invite people to share that whatever we did yesterday and whatever we did day before yesterday, as a result of that, what is beginning to show up in your life now? So welcome to all the new people, and those who are here for the first time. I think it's just fair for us to tell them what they are getting into. So what you're getting into is empowering morning conversations. We come here every morning. And why do we come here? Because we realized that the world is always trying to influence us negatively. So we're getting pushed around by situations, circumstances, and we start getting negative feelings. And then it doesn't leave much scope for creating a life and living a life that we love. And all of us here, we'd love to live a life that we love. And we've discovered that mostly we live in the default mode. What is the default mode? Would any of our participants share what is the default mode and what are we trying to do here? You can unmute and say, what is the default mode? Why are we trying to get out of it? Yes, Leena ji.
Default mode is we are influenced by our old habits.
That's one of the things. You remain in the default mode because of your habits. But what is the default mode?
Okay.
Can I say?
Yes.
You do the same thing every day.
Yeah.
Default mode.
Yeah, you react the same way. You are living in survival. You're living in reaction. You're resisting things, complaining about things, finding reasons to be unhappy.
Yeah.
You know, so a lot of people, they always find something to be unhappy about.
Yes.
So instead of that, we are saying, how about being in the created mode? You create your life the way you want it to be. So that's what we are doing over here. Thank you very much for sharing it, Reddy Garu. And when we do all these things, then the purpose is that all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. Now, isn't that wonderful? Wouldn't you like to have that? So in the last couple of days, what has been opening up for you in your life by the questions and the yesterday we did a discretion exercise. So what is opening up for you in your life? I'd like to hear from some of you. Yes, Sagar.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good
And
morning.
good morning, everyone. Sir, the things you are teaching me is something I was always looking for, and I think universe have sent some gift to me. So I was so much struggling with myself, with people, and in family. Somehow I get I ask myself, it is just point of my view, or is it really true? I say that it is just a point of view, and I get some kind of relief, and I get in evaluation mode, and I do not judge myself so many times. But sometimes, sir, I don't know why my old habit come and take over me. When I suggest the people do this, do that, then I get myself frustrated, sir. I could not, I could not just tolerate the negative things, and I say that don't do this, don't do that, please keep quiet. I say like that, and I myself get frustrated, sir, and I get into default mode. But somehow it has really helped me, sir, in my daily life. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome. And one more thing I'll tell you, I just remembered when I was your age and I was in my second job. So I was around 27, I think 25 or 26, whatever. And my boss gave me a promotion. Okay. So I had these colleagues who were much older than me, much more experienced than me. Like there were people with 15 years, 20 years of experience, and my boss promoted me. Now I was a very suspicious kind of a character, but the boss was good. He was open. I was friendly with him, so I could speak freely. So I went to him and I said, Mr. Kumar Chandran, these are all senior people, older than me. They know more than me. Why have you promoted me? You know what he said? He says, you are the only one who will never come and tell me not possible.
Wow.
So, Acha,
Wow.
I don't tell you that. Yeah, whenever you come, you say, sir, I don't know. This looks difficult, but I will find a way to do it.
Okay.
So that was my first lesson. And, I maybe naturally has been like that. Instead of normally, what do we do in life? We look at something and say, is it possible or not? Then we decide to do it or not. Okay. So generally our mind is going on finding reasons why something cannot be done. Okay. And I've been training my mind. First, you decide what you want to do. Then how do you make it possible to do it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this year in January, I decided to do something, and the investment for that was definitely more than 10 lakh rupees. Okay. Which I had to do in a space of around 3 months. Because I had decided to do it in 3 months. So, you know what? Normally mind will say, Arey Baba, now you'll have to break your FDs. You'll have to do this. You'll have to do that. Your wife will not agree. She will not support you, blah, 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 blah. But you know what? The moment I decided to do it and I told my wife, she said, you must do it. It's very good. I said, why are you saying that? Now, what had happened is that 1 year before, I had done this Access Bars workshop, right? And she had seen a lot of changes in me. So when I told her that I want to take this journey forward, I was already a bars facilitator, and I said, I want to be a more senior facilitator. So she said, if that one program has made you, now this was before the COVID. Okay.
Okay.
And if I had not done it, then many of you would not be here today. Because I'm a successful corporate trainer and most of my programs were happening face to face. I always said no to do online work, right? So when the COVID happened, I had no work. Luckily, I had enough money, but not enough work. So I normally don't get bothered about it. This thing had come, so I was even more positive. What I'm trying to say to you is that if you decide something, if you commit to something, and then start looking for how to make it possible. All right. So
Yes,
you'll
sir.
find people like that. They always look for, okay, ye karna hai, how to make it possible. Right. There are people who will look to find reasons how to be happy. And there are people who keep on finding out reasons why they should be unhappy. Looks like people have done PhD in how to be unhappy, They'll always find something to be unhappy about. On top of that, the world is influencing them all the time. Open the news, this has happened, that has happened, negative, negative, negative. So easy to get into the negative mind frame, right? That's why we started this Empowering Morning Conversations. So it looks like we have a few new people with us today. So we have a lady by the name of Sakshi. Sakshi, welcome to Empowering Morning Conversations. Would you like to unmute and introduce yourself and tell us who invited you so that we can thank them? They might be on this call already.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. Sakshi here. I'm joining from Mumbai, and Rama sir has invited me. He has been talking about this since very long, but since I was a very active member in UMM, I could not attend this. But I made up my mind that now I need to figure out and find something different as well. So today I'm joining here from Mumbai. Thank you.
Congratulations, congratulations. So from one Mumbai wala to another, very, very warm welcome. And thank you very much, Rama, for inviting this wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human being. Welcome to the morning satsang. We can call it a satsang, I suppose, if you want to. There are no religious discourses over here, I can promise you that. So thank you for being here. Very, very welcome to you. All right, let's hear somebody else's sharing. What happened because of what we did yesterday and day before and the day before? Don't tell me life as usual, sir. So let's ask Vetrivel. He normally is the last one to speak nowadays. So we will have him started off on the lighter note.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. I am so happy to be here, and I want to particularly mention the Sagar's expression. It's so real and so deep. It reflects everyone's feeling. He is able to verbalize it in a very beautiful way. Sir, I started something new, little bit doing it. There is a 10 minutes video on YouTube on access consciousness about energy pulling. Since, thanks to you, because of you, we are more into access consciousness. I'm just putting my head into it. I have one small doubt, sir. On a process, they say full energy and trickle the energy. I'm not able to visualize it, how to do it.
Doesn't matter. I will tell you when the time is right. When I do the energy pulling, I will show you. There's nothing. Trickle back means send back a little, no? You're taking, send back a little.
I'm ready to send, sir, but I'm not able to visualize it, how to do it.
So you don't have to, no? Just intend it.
Okay.
See, that's the problem with us. We are always into the how to do it, how to do it. Can just be it, no? There is something called intention. See, if I tell you just now, Vetri will stand up. See, when you had the intention to stand up, you stood up, no?
Yeah.
So you had the intention. First you were sitting and waiting. What happened? Oh, then your mind said, oh, I think he's actually wants me to stand up. Then you said, okay, let me stand up. So you stood up. So what made you stand up? That when you had the intent, right? So similarly, it's the intent that makes you do the thing. So don't get stuck. So remember, energy goes where your attention goes. So if you put your energy, like attention on pulling, you'll be pulling. Then if you put it on sending back a little bit, it'll be sending back. So great. Thank you very much. And Vetrivel, what I was asking everybody to share, that includes you also, is that what is opening up for you since yesterday and day before, whatever we did here?
I'm doing the same thing, sir, but with more clarity.
Yeah, so that answers the question. You say, I have not noticed anything opening up, sir. Every day is becoming usual. No problem. Thank you very much. Okay, who's next?
Thank you.
So a lot of the regulars are also not talking, huh? Not bad. So what else is possible?
No, sir, we want to give the opportunity to new people, sir.
Yes, very good. I know that. But these new people, no, they've all taken a Mauna Vrata. You know, Mauna Vrata, they're saying, ki hum chup rahenge. Sir, we only want to listen to others and learn from them. We don't have anything to share with others, sir. We are very selfish people. Or somebody saying, I am too shy, sir. I cannot share, you know. Like Anu will not share because her mother is there. So she's shy to share. So this is what your session is going to be if nobody is going to share and question. Yes, Suchitra ji. Today you are there with your own name. Wow.
Morning, sir. So, what has been opening up for me is the tendency to not mutilate myself into to fitting into other people's judgments and my own, sir, and to just let my light shine through every moment, whatever that is. So, in this way, I'm able to experience, have a much greater and coherent experience of myself and the greatness of my own being. So that's what.
Wonderful. Can you say the same thing again?
So, was it too highfalutin?
No, 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 no. I want you to say it again because a lot of people who are not listening, they might listen now. See, people don't see there's two types of people who come on the calls, right?
Yeah.
Some of them really seriously listen to other people sharing.
Yeah.
Okay. The other people say, stop all this, let Deepak speak. We want to listen to him.
Yeah.
That's another category. Third category is that they are thinking, what should I say? What should I say? What should I say? So they are not listening to what the other person is saying. So a lot of people might have missed even hearing what you said. And it's something wonderful. So I want you to repeat it.
So what, for my biggest takeaway from all the sessions that I've been doing with you and the morning sessions, Good to Create and Access Consciousness, is that I looked at my tendency to mutilate myself to fit into my own judgments and other people's judgments and just, pass the radar. I don't want to shine, or I don't want to be spotted. So this made me into a very strange version of myself. So to just observe this in action and to not to just let myself be, sir, naturally, and to see the greatness of that naturally being through various situations. So that's what.
Wow. So what are you going to start doing because of the what you realized? So what is different?
Yes, sir. So many things which I had written off as impossible tasks or things like that, they seem like very doable right now. They seem that's what life is for. It is meant for me to achieve all these things, and I can easily do them based on my own merit, or I don't need anybody's extreme help or something like that. That's one thing. And to so basically to take on all the areas of my life like finance and everything, sir, that I had felt is quite beyond me.
So that's wonderful, isn't it? So if I was to simplify what you said, you stop judging yourself.
Yeah.
Right. And because when you judge yourself, you feel the need to change yourself.
Yeah.
And when other people are judging, you feel like conforming to their judgments, which is a kind of mutilation. Right? I cannot be me, you're saying. I'm not able to be me because of people's judgments.
Yeah.
I'm not able to be me because of my own judgments.
Yeah.
And you've decided not to be like that.
Yeah.
And another thing which was happening because of your own judgment and other people's judgment was that you were kind of getting isolated. Like you were almost like hiding yourself.
Yeah.
And not doing many things because of fear of judgment.
Yeah.
And in fact, these judgments made you feel that you're not capable of doing many things.
Correct, sir.
And now you're realizing that you can.
Yeah, that I had accepted a very low-end version of myself, even as an android with capabilities, a very low-end version of myself. So that's what is opening up.
Yeah, that now you are much bigger than you think you were.
Yeah, and so is everybody else. So
yeah, obviously. Let them bother about themselves, right?
Yeah, correct.
Great. Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So who else? Yes, Mr. Mathur.
Good morning. Okay. So what is the the biggest advantage I got is now I know ki problem kya hai, what is the issue. So one of the major issues, see, because from March onward, I have not been working, so I'm at home only. So it's all home issues which I'm dealing with. So starting with my father, my wife, and very little bit with my daughter. So we don't have a driver nowadays. So the biggest problem comes when I'm taking my dad out. Now, since I'm taking a job after 2 days, so I'm getting all the job done with medical checkup. वो क्या कहते हैं,
You're
dentist
joining your new
appointment.
job after 2 days.
Yes. So
Okay.
all those things, thank you. All those, so I'm spending a lot, and then he has that habit of running commentary about my driving. ये क्यों किया, गड्ढे में से क्यों निकाला, लेफ्ट से क्यों निकाला, राइट से क्यों लगाया, ब्रेक क्यों लगाई, गाड़ी आगे क्यों करी, गाड़ी कल तो my wife and my dad was with me, we are going somewhere, and then my dad will say ऐसा क्यों किया, then wife say ऐसा क्यों किया, ऐसा ड्राइव क्यों किया मैंने,
Stereophonic sound.
stereophonic sound. And then at one point of time, then I got present too. So my issue was, why you guys are so judgmental about me? You, after a gadi has gone through a gadda, do you think I will back up and then I should back up and take on? So once something has happened, why are you commenting about it? And then I got present to it. So the issue is not, the issue is that I have an issue about people having judgments about me. That is the issue. So now at least I know what to handle, what to talk to you about. So the issue with me, Sudeepak, is I have an issue about people putting their judgment onto me. That you're this, that, good, bad, ugly, good, bad, ugly, good, bad, ugly. Good is very less. I don't hear the good. Bad, ugly, bad. So the issue now, at least I know the problem. The problem is that when people pass on their judgments to me, I have a problem with that.
If you are open to
Yeah.
judgment, because judgment
Okay.
is also an energy, na?
Yeah.
Abhi, just imagine that we are surrounded by people judging us,
Yes.
but it's all energy, na?
Yeah.
If we are blocking that judgment, then we are blocking energy also, no? So
Okay.
suppose you say, all right, somebody is judging me, very good. They are giving me energy.
Yeah,
What
but
an
they
interesting
don't judge.
point of view.
But they don't judge in a very sweet way. Most of the time, shouting, nasty
That's all right.
judgment.
I'll tell you what, if you want more money in your life,
Yes.
the more you're willing to accept judgment, Arey Baba,
Okay.
judgment hi to hai, it's not the truth, no?
Yeah.
So what are you losing if you accept it? What are you accepting? Interesting point of view. Interesting point of view that when I took my car over a gadda, these people are wasting their energy, letting me know that I went on a gadda. Oh, I never knew that I went over a gadda. Thank you for telling me. You don't tell them, think in your mind like that, right? Oh,
Okay.
thank you for letting me know what I already know. It's like you make a stupid mistake. कभी-कभी गलती हो जाती है ना?
हो जाती है, हाँ.
And then they are taking so much trouble to tell you, तुमने गलती की, तुमने गलती क्यों की? Right? So
Yeah.
take it, na? Oh, thank you for reminding me that I made a mistake. I never knew. मेरे को तो अपनी गलती का एहसास था ही नहीं. Wow, what an interesting point of view. मैं तुम्हारे बिना क्या करता? मुझे तो पता ही नहीं लगता कि मैंने गलती भी कर ली है. Oh, wow, I got so many people to tell me कि मैंने गलती की. Wow. See, when you start operating like that, you know something, every judgment that you are willing to receive, now listen very carefully, and I'm
Yeah.
not kidding you, and I'm not joking with you also. Every judgment you are willing to receive is worth $5,000, which will come to your life.
Okay.
So the more judgments we are willing to receive का मतलब क्या होता है? It doesn't mean that you believe what they are saying.
Yeah.
But you're willing to receive, Baba, it's a judgment. What is a judgment? Hot air coming out of somebody's mouth. Words क्या होते हैं?
Yeah,
शब्द
hot air
क्या होते
coming
हैं?
out of somebody's mouth with some.
Or somewhere else also, no, hot air comes out, some sound is being made.
Yes.
That's all it is. So you say, wow, what an interesting point of view. And
Yeah,
you'll see
yeah,
that you are feeling so happy. You'll be laughing all day. You'll be thinking, yeah, look at these people, how much energy they are giving to me.
Yeah.
Precious energy, Instead of keeping that energy with them, they are giving it to me. Wow. Thank you for your gift, sir. मजा आएगा कि नहीं?
बिल्कुल आएगा.
और बताएं.
बस, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Reddy Garu, your turn, sir.
Yes, but they give negative energy, sir.
Yeah, what negative, what positive? See, it will, you, if you only accept it, if you agree with it, then it is bothering you, no?
Okay.
So suppose someone is saying something and you're only listening and saying, oh, that's an interesting point of view. So you have accepted his point of view, but you are not agreeing with it. Do you have to agree with everybody's point of view?
No.
But you can listen to it, no?
Yeah.
Because it's an interesting point of view. Now you look at this. This fellow is driving a car. His car has gone over a pothole. Maybe he saw it, maybe he did not see it, but the car has already gone over the pothole.
Yes.
He does not know that he went over a pothole.
Yeah.
He knows. But somebody is still telling him, you went over a pothole. You should have not gone over a pothole. So what to do? Should I go back and drive again on that road? This time I will not go over a pothole. But he's already been. So if somebody is giving the energy to him, thank you. In your mind only you're saying, no, thank you for letting me know what I already know. Wow, that's an interesting point of view. Now just think, somebody is actually opening their mouth and saying something, no? It may have nothing to do with you.
Yeah.
Right? So when somebody is giving their judgment, what is judgment? Their point of view.
Point of view. Yes.
Somebody is giving it. I don't have to, agree with it. Now the point is, the moment you resist it, the damage is done.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, normally what happens, you get into this argument. I don't agree with you. How can you say like this? Now, sometimes you dare not to say. If your wife is saying, you will keep quiet, if you got any sense. Correct?
Yeah.
But in your mind, again, she started off, why she's doing like this all the time. Now, instead of doing all that, if you said, wow, what an interesting point of view. She's been giving me this point of view for 20 years. Interesting. That is the way she's seeing the things. Okay, wow. Finished. Now it doesn't have any impact on you, right? Plus the energy that they are sending to you, it is coming, you're getting energy out of it. So take it. But you don't have to agree with what they are saying. You don't have to disagree with what they are saying. Just receive it. So the more we are in receiving mode in life, more money, more happiness, more love, all those things will happen. See, a lot of times people will come and tell me, like this, my mother-in-law is saying like this, my wife is saying like this and blah. I say, hello, people have no topic for discussion. So the only thing which they know how to do is complain. Have you met people? They're always complaining about something. What is wrong with the world today? And it's so costly, and today that Shah Rukh's son got this thing, and there was this thing and that thing and this thing and that thing. They have nothing else to talk about. So if somebody is having no other topic to talk about, what will they talk? So they have to talk something, no? So they'll talk about something which is easy for them. What is easy for them? Judging and complaining. So listen to that and say, wow, that's an interesting point of view. Very, very interesting point of view, my dear. Thank you so much for letting me know that. After some time, you will find that those people are not doing it anymore. Are you getting it? So when you are reacting or resisting to what somebody's criticism or whatever they're telling you, if you are reacting to it, you are giving them more masala, they'll do more. Correct? When you're saying, wow, thank you, what an interesting point of view. Thank you for letting me know this thing. Now they are not going to get any pleasure out of doing it, no? Whatever they are trying to do, it's not working. So they'll stop. Now they'll stop giving you energy which they are giving you for free for so long. So it's your choice, no? Great, thank you very much. Okay, So today I have another question for you, and you better ask that question right now and get an answer if you can. What will I add to my life today? What can I add to my life today? Or simply a question, what can I add to my life?
More happiness.
Okay. Keep going. Let's hear somebody else. What can I add to my life?
More awareness.
Love and peace.
Okay.
Love.
What can I add to my life today?
More awareness.
Okay. What can I add to my life today?
Living moment by moment.
What is that one?
Joy.
Living moment by moment. Okay. What will I add to my life today?
More energy.
More joy.
More joy, more energy. Okay. What can I add to my life today? Nobody said, then a couple of lakh of rupees I can add to my life today. Somebody told you you can't do that?
More satisfaction, sir.
Okay, very good. And how will you do that?
Doing the work what I need to do.
And what is that thing you need to do or you want to do or choose to do?
I decided to do. Maybe.
Yeah. Chose to do or decided to do?
Decided to do what I already made my mind to do. That I think this is called decided.
Okay.
I was seeing a movie on the OTT platform the other day. It was about two groups. One group was a rebellious group and the other is a pure family listing of three people. They were traveling in a sort of caravan from Ajmer to Mumbai to Ajmer. So they were stuck in a faraway place where it was absolutely godforsaken and virtually there was no food in that. And they ultimately landed in a place which is a very small kind of thatchment, hutment. And there the chowkidar, there was no food there. So one of those lady from this rebellion group said that, Chowkidar, you have some anaj and all that, give it to me. We'll do something to live through this night. So they went to the kitchen. And along with the moment that lady from this rebellion group went there, the other the lady in the other family she also went there. Now, when they started cooking, this lady said, which actually struck me was, look, I have come here because I decided to come here. I choose to come here. You have come here because you are conditioned that way. You don't even know that what you are going to do. You are conditioned. So this is something which I'm going to replicate in my life. More thing to choose to do, not being conditioned to do. I'm getting out of this conditioning mode and I'm coming to this choice mode. Thank you.
So what can I add to my life? Wonderful. Thank you very much. What can you add to your life today? What can you add to your life?
So humor and true friends.
Humor and true friends. Okay, wonderful. So keep thinking, what can I add to my life?
Love and joy.
And how will you do that?
Meeting my friends, doing what I love to do, and seeing the possibility.
Okay. So keep being in the question, what can I add to my life? So one person asked that question, and the answer which came was that I will open a school. What can I add to my life? Another person says, I can start a business of my own. What can I add to my life? Another person says, I will attend a digital marketing course. What can I add to my life? See, that is creation mode. When you consciously ask a question, what can I add to my life now? Now, you could be 80-year-old, you could be 90-year-old, you could be 18 years old, whatever. What can I add to my life? So have you noticed now something Milanji said, very, very profound actually, if you look at it. We have been doing something which we've been conditioned to do. Why did we go to school? Because we were told that you should go to the school. Okay? Nobody told us that what do you want to do in life? So small kid is looking and saying, what do you want to do in life? I don't know. Right? And at some point, he's now in class 6th or 7th. Again, you ask him, what do you want to do in life? Okay. Now, the conditioning is always saying, oh, you should make money, you should be like so-and-so, you should be like so-and-so. Nobody helped him to find out what is it special about you and what is your heart telling you to do. So if somebody made him find out what your heart is telling him to do, and he said, okay, then how should you achieve that? Then he himself might say, I'll have to learn about that. Oh, how will you learn about that? I think I'll have to go to school to learn about that. Ah, you want to go to school to learn how to become whatever you want to become. Then he'll go there with a different kind of motivation, isn't it? Just a moment, please. थोड़ी देर साढ़े 9 से पहले दे देना चाहिए कार क्लीनर. Are you getting it? What can I add to my life is a question. So we have reached wherever we have reached, in whichever way we have reached, whether you were conditioned to reach there because or people told you that this is what you should do in your life, whatever be the reason, you are where you are. Okay? Maybe you got everything. Maybe you don't have everything. I don't know. Right? But it's a good question to ask yourself, what can I add to my life? See, now most of the motivation comes from where? If I don't have money, then I should get money. If I don't have a car, then I should get a car. Why should you get a car? Because everybody's got a car. Okay. A lot of people don't need a car. Okay, they don't go out anywhere. So what do you want a car for? No, I should have a car. Why? To keep it in your garage. So a lot of shoulds are determining our life. So let us say that whatever you decided you should have, you got it now. Now is a good question to again ask, what can I add to my life? I think sometimes we are afraid to ask that question. What can I add to my life? Oh, I'll have to do more work now.
So more vitamin C and D, sir.
More vitamin C and D. What is that? Can you explain, please?
So vitamin C in the form of amla and vitamin D in the form of more sunshine.
Oh, like literally vitamin C and D, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, very good, very good. What? Okay, keep asking. What can you add to your life?
Sir, on a lighter note, I would like to add more problem into life because I am tired of old problems.
So you want to add new problems in your life. You're tired of dealing with old problems. Okay, what can you add to your life? And I'll tell you something, people who don't create something new, right? Then life creates problems so that they have something interesting to do. So when a lot of people get bored with life, now they create problems. So they'll have something to do. So why wait for life to create problems? Okay, Giri Garu says every weekend rest. Okay, great, fantastic. That in any case you are supposed to do. What can you add to your life?
Sukhdeep, more energy.
Okay, great. So when you get more energy, what are you going to do with it? Start thinking, what can you add to your life? One guy said, we asked this question, what can you add to your life? He says, I will add a wife.
Sir, I can add more awareness to my life, sir, every day.
Okay, very good. So you add more awareness to your life. Is there nothing else left to add?
More friends to my life also, sir.
Yeah, all right. So do you notice that we are thinking within a kind of box? So here you are 60-year-old retired army officer. So you're saying, what can I add to my life? I'll add more friends. Okay, great, fantastic. My father was an infantry officer, he retired very early. He never asked that question, what can I add to my life? So he retired from life only very quickly. What can you add to your life? Very uncomfortable question. I'm sorry, I'm asking you. What can you add to your life?
I'm going to add more subtractions, sir. Give up all the things that don't matter anymore.
Okay. So what are those things you're going to give up which don't matter anymore? So you already stopped wearing shoes and chappals. What more are you going to give up?
Sir, it's more on the realm of the psyche, some of the wrong turns, like to expect somebody to move me out of a numb state or things like that. So this tendency of depending on another for real energy or real motivation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I keep asking this question, what can I add to my life today?
Sukhdeepak, success and contribution.
Say that again, that sounds very interesting.
See, because when I earlier said more energy, then you ask the question, what will you do with that energy?
Right.
More more success, more performance, and more contribution.
Yeah, but
the
you
world
know
around
something, now I'm going to challenge you. Can I do that?
Yes, please.
So repeat one by one. What did you say?
I said success, performance, and contribution.
Okay, so let's take success. How would you do that?
See, for success, more energy is required, more
How will
actions are
you do
required.
that? Karoge kya? How would you, first of all, you'll have to define, na? You're saying I will add more success. So what's your definition of success?
See,
It has to
definition
be
of
according to your definition, no?
yes, a definition of success is more work done during the day.
Yeah, so you'll have to spend more ka matlab kya hota hai? You know, I pressed one shirt today. Yesterday, today I will press 2 shirts. That's more work done today.
Absolutely.
But is it really adding value to your life? I mean, what is this a definition of success? Like really?
Not really. Not really.
Exactly. So see, when your words are representing something which is there in your mind, now I'm saying let us quantify it, na?
Yeah.
May aap bolte ho, I will get a house. So first, what is the first question that will come then?
We will have. I get the money.
No, where will money depends on where the house is going to be.
Absolutely.
You have, if you want to buy a house in a village.
Yeah.
Or do you want to buy a house in Sector 42, Noida?
Yeah.
Same way. So you said what? What can I add to my life is success?
Performance,
contribution.
which is actually the same thing. Third is contribution. I can do more for others.
Yeah. So you will have to put something specific, no? Because something you will do or be so that it happens. Otherwise, it will be another incompletion you're creating in your life.
Okay.
भाई ये ख्यालत तो बहुत बढ़िया है, किया कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि माइंड को आपने बताया ही नहीं कि करना क्या है. तो एंड ऑफ द डे आप कैसे असेस करोगे कुछ हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
Yeah, I think a good thing to do is to write down every day आज क्या करना है, which I don't write.
Otherwise, end of the day, your mind is saying, अच्छा बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हो, किया तो कुछ नहीं तुमने. See, your own judgment will only kill you, no?
Absolutely.
So what can I add to my life? Keep asking the question. Many interesting things are going to come out. So it's a very good start, Abhinav. Thank you very much. Yes, Suchitra ji.
Sir, more random acts of kindness, sir. Being open to giving and receiving random acts of kindness and connection.
Open to giving, and what can you define it? How many random acts of kindness you're going to do? Otherwise, the day will be over. You would have not even done one.
So, for example, like all the like some of the vegetable vendors and all that, if you just say one extra word to them, they are very about, say somebody has some amla or something, and I say something good about that, that's really, it lights them up, sir.
Now you're getting it into the practical domain, right? It was there in the mind, random acts of kindness. So now you're becoming clear. Oh, this is what I'm going to do today.
Yeah.
See, ultimately, it has to be a result that you will create.
Yeah,
If
so somebody
something
opens
like-
a door for me or something at a restaurant or at the ashram, and I look them in the eye and say thank you, they really light up, sir, because not many people are
Exactly.
even making that eye contact.
So that's what you will add to your life today, specific.
Yes, yes.
You understand? Because what is the problem with making general statement is that they remain statements.
Yeah. So this is what I mean.
Nowadays, we are hearing a lot of slogans, no? Achhe din aayenge.
Yeah, just
घर में 15,000 रुपए आएंगे.
just one sentence exchange with some random person whom I meet on the road and connect with or something, sir. First, like that. That's what I mean.
Yeah, so you can do a random act of kindness to your neighbor by giving her a bar session.
Yeah, I've already done it for one of my neighbors, who is severely depressed and who experienced a lot of relief.
Nobody said you can't do it again.
Yeah, I'm going to give more, sir. I'm going to give more.
So what I'm saying is good. Thank you very much for sharing. And what I'm trying to also say to all of you is, if you can determine something specific which you will do, for example, so many examples you gave, you can do all of them. You can say, I will give everybody I meet a wonderful smile. All those people whom I shouted at in the last episode, I will just give them a wonderful smile.
Right.
And say to them, did you enjoy it? See, the more specific we make it, the better we will feel at the end of the day, because you'll say, wow, I did it.
Correct.
Yeah. So that's a nice way of countering all this conditioning of the judgments that we've been subjecting ourselves to. So every time you do something, you will obviously appreciate yourself for doing it.
Correct. Yeah.
So will it not make you feel better about yourself?
Yes. Sir. Specificity is a very, it is an act of kindness, given that most things are very, very vague. And
yeah. And many times, we say many things, we don't do them.
Yeah.
Because we never told our mind what specific action it should take. So when Sagar said, I will add more happiness, my question was, how would you do that? Yeah. What are you going to add to your life? And look at specifics, So I asked one fellow, what will he add to his life? He said, I will add a wife to my life. So he got married. And luckily for him, he's very happily married now for many years. There's another lady I asked, what will you add to your life? She said, she agreed to get married. So she's been resisting to get married for the last 5 years. 10 years, actually. So she now recently announced that, yes, I'm going to get married. How wonderful is that? So Kunayan Saab, hand got raised the moment we talked about marriage. So let's hear what surprise he's going to come out with now. So what are you going to add to your life?
Well, thank you, sir. I just wanted to ask one question. What can I add to my life? Is the question similar to what else is possible, isn't it? Or any distinction between these two, sir?
Yeah, absolutely. See, the words used in what else is possible are words different from what will I add to my life today. So that's the first difference. But they can go together. No? What else is possible is a good question. And what can I add to my life is another good question. So suppose you got one answer. Let's say you ask this question, what can I add to my life today? So obviously some answer will come, no? Then you can again ask what else is possible? Because the mind will give you limited choices to begin with, right? What can you add to your life today? I asked Abhinav, what did he say? I will add success, blah, and blah. So I said, okay, so what will you do? So immediately the mind will start thinking, what else is possible? If you get stuck with one answer, you can always ask what else is possible. ठीक है ना? सो भाई लेट अस इमेजिन के गुनैन साहब के दिमाग में और कोई बात आई नहीं, गलती से बोल गए भाई आई विल ऐड अनदर वाइफ, राइट? देन योर माइंड इमीडिएटली से नो 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 आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. सो देन व्हाट एल्स इज पॉसिबल? Both are equally potent questions, right?
Got it. Thank you.
But if they are different questions, there must be some reason for that, no?
Yes, got it.
Great. Thank you for asking that question, Punan Saab and Vetri Garu. Everything is happening on lighter note now. But it doesn't mean that the topic is not serious.
On a lighter note, it seems that we spoiled Punan's breakfast.
Right?
Putting the second marriage
You
idea.
don't know. He must be thinking only why one.
No, Kunain was actually on a speaker, so his wife also heard it. Now we will. शाम को बात करेंगे क्या हुआ?
That's what I mean.
What else is possible, sir? To add to Kunal's life? What else can we do to spoil Kunal's mood today?
What? His mood is perfectly fine. You put him in the world of imagination. In any case, he wants to go to Jannat, वो जन्नत में तो 72 मिलेगी उसको, correct?
Sir, actually, sorry.
Yeah, go ahead.
I just want to, sorry to interrupt, I just want to share an interesting interpretation, which I took it from Abhinav sharing. The moment you asked, what can you add to your life? Immediately, Abhinav responded with 3 words. He had said, Sukdeepak, success and contribution. He means, I don't know us, he's calling you by name and he's saying, I want to add success and contribution. I want to interpret this in such a way. He wants to add 3 things in his life. It is in this order, like he wants to add Sukdeepak into his life, and he wants to add success into his life, and obviously he wants to add contribution into his life. It's order. And I also take that interpretation. I want to add more Sukdeepak into my life, sir. Thank you very much.
You will discuss everything except what do you want to add in your life.
I'm in right place, sir. I need not worry. Things will get added.
Now imagine Narayanan Saab is probably, I don't know, I'm just assuming. Narayanan Saab, you are retired. Are you retired and working or retired and relaxing?
Retired and working, sir.
Oh, okay, great. So what can you add to your life? That's a good question to ask.
I can add appreciation and compliments.
Okay. What else can you add to your life? Never thought that I can add a couple of crores to my life, huh?
Correct.
No, there is a reason I'm asking this question. See, have you noticed that we are even limited in asking or even thinking about what we can add to our life?
Correct, sir. A couple of crores, if not more.
Yeah, the main point of asking this question is for us to realize that how limited we are sometimes in even thinking and asking. Yes, Umaji, then Suchitra ji, and then Neeti ji. In that.
So Deepak ji, yeah, I would add more gratitude and taking people in my life for granted. I mean, I will look into that very seriously, not to take anybody for granted.
Not to take them. I was wondering what you're saying.
Not taking people in my life for granted, But ye to hai, theek hai.
So can I ask you a question, Umaji, if you don't mind? I mean,
yeah. No, I don't mind.
Naughty fellow, If not to take someone for granted, I get that. But what are you going to do?
Means if they behave in a certain way, I will possibly not judge and maybe look at them more at their intrinsic nature. Means how are they day to day, not that moment.
Okay.
Normally we just write off people with the one negative. and forget about the 10 positives that has happened earlier.
Okay.
And that's
So
taking them for
what-
granted.
Then in that case, what you're saying is that I will start appreciating people.
Absolutely. That's what I said, gratitude and appreciation. And
Yeah.
also I want to stop procrastination and hoarding. I think I hoard. Most of the Indian women hoard.
They do. Certainly.
Yeah.
That's why, we all
They-
become a little overweight.
Yeah, big hoarders, big hoarders. And if I have to move home now and I'm having a major problem because, you say, अच्छा ये कल कर लेंगे, ये परसों कर लेंगे, अच्छा इसको रहने दो, ये काम आ जाएगा, कुछ नहीं होता.
I recently sold my house in Noida. Okay. And then since I wasn't there, I had to tell my sons to, move stuff. Okay. And
दुखी हो गए होंगे.
it was they had only one day to do that. So you know what happened? They ended up leaving more than half the stuff over there only. And
Yeah.
they told the person who bought the house, okay, you keep it or you throw it.
Can you imagine?
They got all my books and some important things which I wanted, but they left my phones on over there. So luckily that guy is also a Buddhism practitioner. So I said,
Oh, really? So was it the value creation?
No, that that thing in which the
Goes on. I'm a Buddhist practitioner also. That's why I understand.
But that thing in which we keep the scroll.
Butsudan.
So I brought the scroll with me.
Okay.
Personally. But that thing, they just left it. And there were a lot of my books in there that got left. Luckily, all the important ones I got. So I'm saying, and my wife told me something interesting, She said, listen, you haven't even looked at that stuff for the last 5 years. How does it matter if it got thrown away?
That is it. That's it.
See, all that stuff was lying in that 6-bedroom house of mine.
Wow.
Last 5-6 years. I didn't go there, so obviously I didn't use it, and I never felt the need for it.
Yeah.
But if
So
somebody
who are you keeping it for? Who do we keep these things for is the question.
when my late wife died, she had a collection of 100 Nalli sarees, mint condition. We didn't know what to do with it.
Yes, most of the people, I lost my husband 3 years ago, and I don't know what to do with his clothes. More I give, the more come out. And I mean, there's so much.
So we are hoarders, all right. How do you spot a hoarder?
Yeah.
If you find an overweight person, you'll probably find a hoarder. Look at me. I'm 20 kilos overweight.
Not necessarily.
Because we are hoarding our weight also, I think. The fat bodies.
That's really speaking literally.
Yeah, we keep adding to it, The last 3 days, I've had a bad stomach and all that, So I'm not. So I'm only having dahi most of the time. So I'm telling you, I'll become weak. She says, you've got enough fat cells in your body. Don't worry. Nothing will happen.
So Deepak sir, if you may add, sir, can I add on this the same note?
Yeah.
So there's a universal law which says stovers, that is people hoard, stovers always get married to throwers. They always go together. Stovers and throwers always go together in life.
Yeah. You know how many I've been holding on to pants and shirts more than 20 years, right? One of those trousers I still wear and I refuse to throw it.
Oh, that's sad. But you might
It's a
like
very
it.
nice
That's why you
Raymond
don't.
trouser, It's in very good condition. If it not been in a good condition, by now somebody would have thrown it anyway without asking me also. Right? And here I'm asking you a question. What can I add to my life today? Interesting thing Umaji brought up. How can I add anything to my life when I can't throw away some stuff and make some space in my house?
Absolutely. So you can't even buy one more shirt till you give away one shirt.
Yeah,
That's what my husband used to do. He used to buy 6 pants, give away 6 pants. And those pants were fabulously new condition. Just pack it, go.
Yeah, because I'll buy new clothes and gain 5 kilos and I can't wear them. So I have a lot of clothes basically given away. Anybody wants clothes? Hello. what will you add to your life today? That's the question. Thank you very much, Umaji. So anyway,
Okay, thank you.
Neeti ji, your turn.
Sure, what's coming to me is stronger professional relationships.
Stronger professional relationships. What does that mean?
Sir, you've repeated this question, I think, about 50 times, and each time this is what has come to me.
Stronger professional relationships.
Professional tie-ups, professional relationships. Basically, I guess something in the work area on a very, very serious note.
Some action points are coming out of it, or it's just a jumla?
Sir, this has come to me each time you said the question today, so I'll see what comes to me through the day.
Yeah, like what actions are possible?
Yes, definitely, definitely.
So very good. If you convert it into goals, you might get some interesting things happening. Stronger professional relationships. Yeah, okay. So you will get stronger professional relationships, that's all.
No, the stronger professional relationships will get all the desired outcomes also.
So don't you want to add the outcomes, or you want to add professional relationships?
No, sir, stronger professional tie-ups so that there's better workflow and there is better income, higher income.
Yeah, so why don't you say what do you want to add to your life is what income you want to add? Put that first. No?
Okay, let's put 30,000 a day.
That's not bad. Good.
To start with.
ठीक है. But why have you put 30,000 a day? I don't know, but ठीक है. It's good. Could be more also, no?
That's why I said to start with.
Okay, good. Congratulations. So now you started thinking. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the whole idea was to make you start thinking, okay? That we say create instead of survive, okay? Creation requires something, right? The first thing it begins to do is you start thinking. Okay, what do you want to create? Then if you want to create something, then you have to make some actions consistent with the creation. You getting it? Yes, Suchitra ji.
Sorry for taking up so much time today. I just wanted to say that for me, what can I add to life rather than what can I add to my life opens up more possibility and space for me, sir. That's
Good. So what's the answer to that question? What can I add to life?
So just each and every moment. So it's not a predictable algorithm, but it's just something to keep the joy and think afloat to make some contribution in the moment.
Interesting. So it may keep on opening up new possibilities every day for you to add to life.
Yeah.
Okay. You can share with us when you do.
Yeah.
To life. That sounds pretty good. Thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's bring our stalwarts to the screen. Where is Diding Vitrivel? Diding. And where is Kunen? Diding. And where is Neeti? Diding. So now we've got these four stalwarts on our screen. So what do you want to say before we say bye-bye to all these people for the day? Let's start with Kunen.
Thank you, sir. I'll just say one thing about when I am going to do this, when I am going to be in the question, what I'm going to add into my life. I'm also going to think about what I can remove so that I can add more. And other thing what I'm going to do today is that I'll be more aware about the nature. And as one couplet of Iqbal says that khol aankh, zami dekh, falak dekh, fiza dekh. Open your eyes, look around, mashriq se nikalte hue suraj ko dekh. So be aware. So I'm going to be more aware to look around and keep on asking this question that what can I add more to my life? And in the process, I'll have to remove something so that I can add more. And then the next question will be that what else is possible, so that the journey continues. So I'll be in this question and keep on asking and finding, with the statement, as you always mention, that the positivity, hope that all of the life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. So thank you so much, sir. Back to you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ramaji.
Yes, sir. So we'll add more people to EMC, and we'll add more aliveness, more activeness, more helpfulness to life. Like Suchitra said, and not just my life, the life as a whole. So let's add more fun, more help, more activeness, more consciousness. Thank you, sir.
And Neeti, something before we close, and then we will close on a lighter note.
So what I would like to request everybody is, we've been coming to EMC for 174 days now, and we've only been taking and taking and taking. In our meditation, like Venerable said, give a little back to the universe. That's how I would request everybody to give back a little bit of energy during our meditation to EMC. Because some 50 of us giving energies to EMC, I'm sure we'll have much higher accomplishments. We'll grow leaps and bounds. So my request to everybody is 1 or 2 seconds in a day, please give your energy to EMC. Thank you.
Yes, Vendri.
Wonderful, sir. Thank you very much. Today, my take is from our profound sharing from Suchitra. Like, we have to come out from this predictable algorithm to the adding life to life. Meaning living a mindful life of every second. She also said a simple technique. Seeing people eye to eye and smiling without any judgment. That is the take of the day for me, sir, and thank you very much for this.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a wonderful day and wonderful week ahead. God bless you. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.